What's happening, y'all? Salt Savage fishing back here with another video. We at the creek, man. Y'all check us out.
Oh, there he is.
Uh-oh. He got him.
He's wore out. He's wore out, man.
Y'all shake with us, man. We getting back in here where man ain't never been before to catch these monsters.
I know, just saw the trail.
Yeah. It just so happens to be a trail right here. Yeah, I'm too tall for this, man.
We find a hole to snake through.
Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Off the beetle spin, man.
Little short.
That's a pretty, that's what I like about these treat perch, man. Look at them. Yeah. Hold it up, man. Show the people watching around the world. Right over there. I know there's fish right there. Huh?
I said I would never do it.
What happened? Oh, there he goes. I'm over there looking at you. He's under the water. Huh?
You was looking at me?
Yeah, I was looking at you, and little sucker. Pretty little birch. Oh no, I'm hung. Oh yeah. I don't think it broke. Check my hook. Straighten my hook. Show y'all a little tip. Y'all check this out. You got that hook boat like that? Look, you just find you the tree. Push that sucker in. Alright, there you go. Back to fishing. Got him? Oh, that's a good size one. Look how red that thing is, man. I like them old creek fish.
I do too. Took a look good. A little small for that stranger, but
yeah. We got some big ones. Look, he's got some purple to him.
yeah, that's weird.
Pretty. There he is. Oh yeah, he feels pretty good size, dude. Oh, look at that.
What's that, red eye?
Got old channel cat, boy. That old channel cat, boy.
Hell yeah, that's why he felt good.
Yeah, I knew he had a little bit of weight to him. Look at that. Pretty little channel cat. Oh, there he is again.
Okay.
No? Another brim. Dude, I'm telling you, look.
Hell yeah.
Someone, you catch them purple, some orange. They pretty fish.
Yeah.
Real pretty fish. Especially when he hits the sand and gets covered in sand. Buddy. What you skipping the whole spot for? There's something right there, huh? Look. Dude, we definitely crossing right there. Look how shallow that is. Look at that nice little sand over there, man.
You ain't gonna catch no fish in the damn sand.
Dude, come look at this squatch track. I'm not lying, dude. It's a freaking squatch in this woods.
Look, you laid down that side.
Yeah. I'm about to start picking up sticks, beating on the tree.
Do that though, straight.
He was coming from this way. Look, hold on, don't step on it.
I ain't. Right there.
Right there.
Look at his.
Look.
Look at his toe.
The heel is right there, and there's his toes.
That's weird looking at.
And it's square, dude. It's square just like a squash track.
That's a damn hand.
No, it's
No,
not.
it ain't.
Where's the damn dew claw at?
Deer claw. Somebody probably bust their ass right there.
Look, he come from this way. I think, yeah, right there.
Yeah, see, them are way shorter. That's
Look how big that one is. That's baby squatch and daddy squatch. Look, they come up from right here. Look, they got a beat down trail right here. Dude, but for real, there's no houses anywhere near here. Who's out here freaking walking around barefooted? There he is.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good size one there. Oh yeah.
That's actually a decent size.
That is a good size one there.
Yeah, that one was the old fish boy.
Got that teal blue in them, man. I love that color.
There he is.
There he goes.
See, that's about the size.
Hold up.
Hey,
Let's show the people.
you better call Bass Pro up real quick.
Let's look at it.
Hey, just go big or go home down here, boy. He choked it. Look at him.
He choked it.
There you go. You just born yesterday, man.
He said, I want that beetle spin.
Having bait big as he is.
Why you got to be careful on the creek, people. Look at him. Look at him. Almost.
I told y'all I only get the second or third. I didn't even know it. He was there.
He was third too. Right here. There's going to be a fish right here, I'm telling you. Well, I guess I lied to y'all. I ain't caught a fish over yet. Oh, there he is. There he is. What'd I tell you? There's a fish over here. Oh. Yeah, he's a little baby. Y'all walking the creeks, man? Use that rod for your snake finder. Yesterday I went to the lake, I only caught a couple bass, and I realized why I don't like freshwater fishing.
You're either gonna catch something or you ain't gonna catch nothing.
That's right. I will catch a hardhead. Y'all know that? There he is. Oh yeah. We in the nursery over here, though. Look at him.
Hey, we was gonna do some catfishing though, boy. This is good bait. Dude.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm not going in there. That's sketchy. Come on, we about to catch you. There he goes. There he is. Look at that. That's what they look like, son. Y'all watch this. That one had some weight.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. What'd I tell you, son?
Damn, that's something looks heavy, dude.
Oh, man. Look, I'm finna get that cat in there.
That's
Watch
one
this.
of those blue channel brim there.
That cat's in there waiting for this worm. What you got? Oh, there you go.
Damn, y'all hauling over there.
Wearing them out, son.
Catching them by the gram. How was you rigged up catching that? Down rig, straight down.
Straight down rig. Oh, there he is.
Got the commentary.
Look, you done caught 3 with one cricket, man.
Hell yeah.
That's breaking records, dog.
Put them 3 together, I got a keeper.
Yep. Hey, why don't you throw the fish over there so you don't scare it up?
Try to give you one.
Well, look, since I'm good at editing, go ahead and stick him on my hook. I'll throw him down there. I know you want it. Oh, you look like you had.
Heavy.
You look like you had some weight, though. I'm gonna drop in there and see if I can't get him.
He seen that one had some weight. He said, "I'm about to drop in there." They're right here too.
There he is. We didn't say how big they were. We just said they're here. Oh, he's got some weight, son. Look at him. Look at him, son. Get him in the boat.
Bill, you lean back with that one and everything. You would thought this fella just caught a trophy Kentucky.
You hear them talking about you, fish? You a trophy in my book, dog.
Oh, it was a heavy one?
Yeah, look at him. He's good.
Yeah, this is nice here.
It is. That's what I said.
How come I catch all the fiddlers over
There
here?
he is. Oh, yeah, he's got some weights on. Look at him. Get him. Get in here, son. Woo! That's the biggest fish of the day right there.
It really is. Yeah.
Look at that. Y'all check it out, man.